Good morning. If you know me, you know I hate waking up early, but I need to level up in 2020. So I'm prepping myself now in December to do some things that I don't like waking up early. I am attending a boot camp that I've been going to. It's a fitness boot camp. It starts at 9:30, which I know for a lot of people, you're like, okay, I thought you were waking up at like 6. No, listen, I usually wake up at 9:30. So for me to be at this class at 9:30, that's pretty intense for me. I'll show you guys what it looks like, but I'm not gonna show you like the actual workout because I'm still like kind of new there. And I don't know, that's just weird. I'll wait till I get more confident and I know more people, I have more friends. Podcast over music when driving, for sure, to get your mind waking up, get it moving. Also, I love Terry Seville. I actually had the opportunity of meeting her at my pastor's birthday party.
We're about to die.
I know. I know. Fresh time?
I'm dying. My arms hurt so bad.
I know. Okay, we got some veggie sticks for snacks, carrots, broccoli, and some healthy stuff. Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's basically all I got.
Oh.
Brussels sprouts are in there. Then I have chicken and carrots in there. Now while that's cooking, I'm gonna go take a shower. I got this CBD sugar scrub and a few other things the other day, and I'm excited to use this. I'm going to use it for the first time. I'll let you guys know what I think. Apparently it's supposed to renew, calm, and soothe. Whoa. Okay, that sugar scrub was crazy. It's by 7th Sense. You can get it online. My feet are so soft. I can't wait for Tony to feel them because my feet are always tough because I love being barefoot. But I'm going to do a quick little makeup real quick because my food is going to be done in like 6 minutes. And I'm not going to do anything crazy. I'm just going to put some makeup on so I don't have to worry about it the rest of the day. Okay, kind of shook because my hair looks crazy. I just did my makeup in under 5 minutes. Not saying it looks good, but it's done. Alright, it's 12:30, time for lunch. I made some like Asian-ish chicken, Brussels sprouts and carrots, like I said, in the Instant Pot and in the air fryer because it goes super quick and I was able to get in the shower while this is cooking. There's Tony. He didn't want me to show him because his hair's a mess, but he's awake. What are you doing?
About to send an email off. I'm supposed to work out this morning, but that's what I get for going to bed so late.
Yep.
So I gotta get
He kept me up till 3 a.m.
You kept me up.
Me?
Yeah.
How?
I was wondering if you're even alive out here.
And how did that affect you in any way?
Because I was in there praying to make sure you're okay.
He was playing Fortnite.
Oh, I was praying.
You were playing Fortnite, and I was working on my life plans. So yeah, that's what's going on. Okay, so we've had this house since July. It's December, and we're just now kind of setting up our office. So kind of random, we're just kind of putting whatever we have at the moment. Just have something, so I have some little chairs. We got this table at Goodwill, my laptop. That's my desk, just in general, my whatever. That's Tony's side. And then my dad gave us this TV that he's not using anymore. And then we're hooking up the Roku so we can have some TV going on. That's my old vanity desk. And little calendar over there. We're going to hang up some pictures and make this place a little bit more inspiring. My new favorite coffee mug is from the Dollar Tree. But I'm about to start working. And I'm feeling very, at peace right now. Because this is the first time I've ever worked with my office like this. Okay, so Emily Frasilla's priority needs and wants pad is the greatest. So this is what I'm doing. I wrote down the things that I definitely have to get done today, 100%. Things I also need to get done, but it's okay if I don't. And things I want to get done. So I kind of listed out everything because I do have a lot of different things I'm doing. So that's going to sit there. I can check them off as I go. And I'm going to first start with sorting this wedding. Okay, it's almost 5 o'clock, so I just wrote out and finished the script, well, not really script, outline for tonight's Source of Light episode. So, if you guys don't know what Source of Light is, it's pretty dang awesome. It's my husband's channel, and we go live every Monday night at 8 p.m., 8:30 p.m. Central Time. And this is what's going on. So, it's live, and at 8:30, this link will go, like I said, live, and we're going to talk about this. I'm going to read a little bit. Since I hung out with my friend a little bit longer today, I didn't get to get home at the right time, so I didn't get to just chill and read. But I am happy because my car time, I was able to pray and worship and things like that. But yeah, just going to hang out here for a little bit and get some dinner. But that's basically the whole day. I think I'm going to go ahead and end the vlog now because this is basically what I do all day. If you are interested in SOL nights, I do have a vlog of the behind the scenes and kind of what SOL nights is, so you can go ahead and click that video. I'll leave it in the link below. But yeah, that's basically what I do day in the life of owning my own business. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!